JDCap26 here, just doing tips from Pearson Hobbies, and I got a little story for you today, which is a true story. And a while back, when my wife was working as a CNA for a convalescent home, we only had one car, so I would drive her to work because I needed the car for work as well, and I would pick her up late at night. Well, one night I was picking her up late at night, and I was traveling my usual route, and I was going up a hill, and all of a sudden I didn't hear anything, but I felt this weird presence. So I looked up underneath like the front windshield. I kind of leaned over and looked up, and there was this black object above me, and I said, "Whoa, what's this?" And it's quiet, and it was moving along slowly. And as I went down the hill, I could start to see the back of it. The back of it had three like white panels, okay, and it was all black, and it moved quietly ahead. And when I got to the bottom of the hill, in a blink of an eye, it was gone over the school. It was like boom, it like warped out or something. I don't know. There was no wave or flash or anything like that. And it was gone, and I said, "Oh my God!" I saw a UFO, and it was. I'm going to put a diagram in this this video to show you what it looks like, and I'll make sure to put it in a long sequence so you can really look at what happened at the top of the hill. And it's just something I drew up. So I was like, when I got to the convalescent home, I told my wife, and she's like, "Oh yeah, She didn't really believe me, but it was amazing. I think I had other confrontations with UFOs in the past. You don't remember some of them, and some of them you do. This one I definitely remember. This one was clear as day. And the ones you don't remember is probably the ones you get abducted, and so... I did take pictures once of a hot air balloon, and I have that in my videos, and it looked like there was a chevron type UFO near the hot air balloon, and I was like, "Oh, look at this," after I download the pictures to my computer. I had an actual picture, I don't know where that picture is now, but people said, "Oh, it's the reflection off the balloon," but I don't think so. So this really happened to me, and I wanted to share it with you subscribers. I thought it was very interesting, and I hope you rate and subscribe and enjoy my channel with the diversity it has. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.